but Thomas and Percy weren't really being very careful.
And some for you, Percy. Thomas! Oh, what did I tell you? Look, a metal man. A robot. A robot? Silly tank engines. That's not a robot. It's a suit of armour, like a knight wears. I hope you haven't damaged it. I don't think we have. Ah, it's moving. It's all right, Percy. It's only a suit of armour. But